Alright, what's up guys? We're here at Gear Speed. My brother dropped off my transmission here to get rebuilt, so we're gonna go check it out for ourselves.
Hello, my name is Andres Ramos. I am the builder for Gear Speed here in Rancho Cucamonga. I've been working here for 8 years, and today I'm rebuilding Jonathan's EM2 5-speed manual. I've been doing this for 8 years. When I got to transmission, I always had a passion for cars. So you can see in my room all the cool stuff that I have. The transmissions is something that's always overlooked in a car. Everybody builds the motor, suspension, and everybody overlooks the transmission. And in extreme cases, you could be at a total loss and have to get a whole other transmission. In this case, we got lucky and we were able to reassemble this transmission with good parts. So it should be easy.
Guys, this is what was inside my transmission. Shouldn't look like this.
It should actually look like this. Auto industry, it was kind of always in a part of my family, so I always ended up following along. My dad is a diesel technician, kind of led in that way, but I just stuck to cars. Cars just kind of speak to me. If money was no object, my dream car, and this is going to be an obvious one for the people that know me, is going to be a R32 GTR. Why? Why not? It's Godzilla. One day, one day. So today I rebuilt Jonathan's 2001 Civic EX manual 5-speed. When I turned down the unit, there was signs of past neglect. The unit was low on fluid, it had a bunch of heat marking on it. A lot of the parts did have to be changed, but nothing too hard that we couldn't find parts for. After doing so many of these, it's pretty much second nature to put back together, and it was a breeze, real fun. Should be ready for the streets now. If you guys want to have us rebuild a unit or want any parts, you can reach us at GearSpeed online or on Instagram at GearSpeed_performance, or you can reach out to me at Smashing711 on Instagram. And we have carbon fiber synchros, aftermarket gear ratios, final drive, bearing seals, whatever you want.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'm hoping this car doesn't give me troubles putting the transmission in. It took me like 9 million years to take it out, so hopefully it takes me like half the time, maybe like 4 million years or like 2 million years to install it back. Everything should go well. I have all the parts ready to put it in. I'll have a daily again. I won't have to like get rides and figure out how to get to work, even though it's not as hard as it was before. So make sure you guys like and comment down below, subscribe because there's more videos coming your way.